Hello everyone, I hope you're not feeling like this, but if you are and you're suffering badly with migraine, you might like to hear what happened to me. About 15 weeks ago, I was having 2 to 3 flashing migraines a week. They were increasing and I was becoming quite worried about it. Then for other inflammation in my body, I began taking vitamin B1, 100 milligrams daily with food. It's better if you have it with a meal. Well, that's what they recommend. Anyway, it was for other inflammation, and I began to realise or notice after a few weeks, I don't know why I didn't notice before, but I had this other inflammation which was bothering me as well. I didn't have any flashing migraines at all, and it's been 15 weeks and I haven't had one. And the only difference, I haven't changed my diet, I haven't taken different medication, I haven't done anything different in my life, and I actually emptied the tablets out, counted them, and lo and behold, it went back to the day, more or less the day, I can't quite remember, but I did note it down in my diary, but back to the day when I began taking vitamin B1. So I can't say that this will help you, but it's such an easy thing to do, and it's less than 10 seconds a day, more or less. Some water, vitamin B1, and there you have it. So I know that a lot of people get more than the flashing migraines. They're bad enough. So maybe they might just help with the pain, and hope you don't feel like this too often. Good luck.